There are so many different kinds of bathrooms.
When you need to go potty someplace new, you can use a different bathroom.
Which bathroom would you like to see? My bathroom at my house. This is my bathroom. This is my toilet.
If you have to go potty, stop and go right away. Flush and wash and be on your way.
Tiggy's on the potty. Tiggy's on the potty. This is my bathroom. This is my sink. Goodbye, germs. I'm washing you all away. It's so soft and fluffy. Brusha, brusha, brusha. It's so soft and fluffy. This is my bathroom. This is my sink. Brusha, brusha, brusha. It's so soft and fluffy. Do you want to visit the train station bathroom? This is the train station bathroom. That's a baby changing station. This one is unlocked. It has a green circle.
Some toilets flush on their own when you move in front of them.
Ooh, what's this?
Those are toilet seat covers. You can put one on the potty if you don't want to sit directly on the toilet seat. Try it out.
Ooh, it flushed on its own. This is the train station bathroom. This is the sink where we wash our hands.
Some sinks turn on.
Washa, washa, washa. It's loud and warm. This is the train station bathroom.
In this bathroom, if the door is locked and we see the red circle, that means someone is using it, so let's find one with a green circle.
What's this sign on the door mean?
That means that this is an accessible stall. It's bigger, which can make it easier for some people to use it. Let's look inside.
Wow, it's so large.
Yes, that's so there's extra room for people who need it, like someone in a wheelchair.
This potty is tall.
That makes it easier for someone in a wheelchair to sit on it. People can hold on to these grab bars for support.
Ooh, it flushed on its own. This is the train station bathroom. Do you want to visit another bathroom? A porta potty.
This is the bathroom at the Enchanted Garden. It's outside. They are sometimes called porta potties.
This is the door's lock. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. This door is unlocked. The green circle shows that.
Outdoor bathrooms like this one don't flush because there are special ways to clean them instead. Even though the toilet doesn't flush, it's still okay to put inside.
There's no soap and water here, but we can clean our hands with this hand sanitizer.
This is the bathroom at the Enchanted Garden. It's outside. They are sometimes called porta potties.